G'day all, Jace here. Just thought I'd share my Siberian tomato experiment. So, I planted the original Siberian tomatoes in February 2022. They went through their season. They are a cooler weather cropping tomato that can withstand temperatures and grow and fruit to 8 degrees Celsius. So they fruited through my winter all the way through to August. Then they started dying off. But the thing I noticed is when they started dying off, they shot a small sucker, as they normally do, at the base of the main stem. So I decided to cut above the sucker on the main stem and keep the sucker and see what happens. And so far, from the sucker, this has happened. As you can see, that's the main stem still, and that's where the sucker came off. And through my now spring and summer now, it's now January 2023, the sucker has turned into a full-size plant using the original rootstock. And same with this one here. As you can tell, plants have seen better days because they are a cool weather plant, and it has been 36, 37 degrees this summer, and it's going to be again this Saturday. But as we can see, there's another sucker here that's coming off the main stem. So once again, once the plant's finished, I'll cut above the sucker and I'll keep the sucker, and we'll see what happens for this coming winter. I just thought I'd share this little experiment. Siberian tomatoes never finish surprising me. They're actually a very nice tomato, and they grow awesome, and they do really well in my winter. So it's a win-win for me. I just thought I'd share it, and yeah, maybe give it a try if you can. Something new, something different. Anyway, have a good day. Catch you later.